Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. Alright, this is the report for the Dow Jones Industrial Average for Thursday, July the 22nd. As you can see, we're still in a consolidated pattern. The market hasn't broken out or broken down anything just yet. We're waiting to see which way this market is going to finally decide to go, and we won't know that until Friday's close for the most part. We still haven't chosen a direction. The market's just been pretty much going up and down every day. One day up, one day down. Taking a look at price action for Tuesday. The Dow was down 109.42 or down 1.07%, with weak bids going into the close. As for market sentiment, we had a pulse scan reading of 22.86 with a swing VIX reading of 25.21. The market pulse is positive since it's trading above its zero signal line, and the pulse scan crossed below the swing VIX, creating a downtrend channel one period ago. In addition to that, the last signal was an oversold buy 10 periods ago, and since the last swing VIX signal, the mini Dow Jones futures price and the Dow Jones Industrial Average has decreased a 1.07% and has ranged from a high of 10,265.54 to a low of 10,007.75. Looking at our momentum indicators, currently the trend is neutral. Trend strength is also neutral, and that's particularly because the market isn't trending at this time. Taking a look at the trend line retracements, we're still maintaining a close above the long-term trend line retracement of 10,203.30. We're also maintaining a close currently above the short-term trend line retracement of 10,171.64, and yesterday's price action pushed the prices above the short-term trend line support on the close. As for intraday price projections for Thursday, we have resistance at 10,220.53 and support at 10,110.50. Our weekly price projections are as follows. We have resistance at 10,407.82 and support at 9,614.32. As for volatility, we closed below the upper band by 46.4%. Taking a look at our in play, Pandora's little black box of buy and sell signals, we do not have any bull market buy or sell signals because the market is mainly bearish, but it's still consolidated. Looking at the bear market, long and short signals, we do have a warning of an inside day with bearish retracement rally off the previous low, possible breakout above intraday resistance. That's a buy-in at 10,275.54. Profit target is 10,750.64, and the stop loss is at 10,147.18. Okay, now switching our focus to gold spot. As you can see, the gold spot situation is also consolidated. You see this is a bullish Kumo cloud, and we're still trading inside the bands here. As of yesterday's price action, we closed down $6.82 or 0.57%, with weak bids going into the close. As for market sentiment, the market pulse is negative since it's trading below its zero signal line. The pulse scan crossed below the swing VIX, creating a downtrend channel as of 3 periods ago. The swing VIX is below -29. This is when it usually forms a support area. The swing VIX usually forms support before the underlying security. The last signal was an overbought sell 51 periods ago. And since the last swing VIX signal, gold spot prices decreased 0.65% and has ranged from a high of $1,210.67 an ounce to a low of $1,175 $1,000.60 per ounce. Taking a look now at momentum. Currently, the trend is neutral within the bullish Kumo consolidation cloud. We have a possible trend reversal with downside bearish breakout risk still in the works. This week, we're going to need a close above $1,216.58 an ounce. We will need that to reestablish the upward trend. However, a close below $1,179.01 will establish a new downward trend. Our trend strength reading is neutral. As far as our trend line retracements, we're still above the long-term trend line retracement of $1,095.20. However, we are below the short-term trend line retracement of $1,197.45. We're going to need to close above that tomorrow, which will give us a clue that going into Friday we could start to push higher. Intraday price projections for Thursday: resistance is at $1,194.54 and support is at $1,186.60. Our weekly price projections is resistance at $1,217.84 with support at $1,184.80. As for volatility, we closed above the lower volatility band by 18.8%. This, combined with the steep downward trend, suggests that the downward trend in prices has a good chance of continuing. However, short-term pullback inside the bands is likely. That's all we have on gold spot. We have no in-play buy or sell signals at this time. This security is not in play at this time. Remember, take what you can, give nothing back.